Hi, I'm Allison Victoria. As a homeowner myself, I know when it comes to choosing the right roofing materials manufacturer, it can be a difficult decision to make. Well, I have some information for you that will make your choice much easier. GAF is North America's largest roofing manufacturer, and they've also been in business for over 125 years. That's important because your new roof is a long-term investment, and you want to make sure the manufacturer you choose will be around for the long haul. They're also the creators of Timberline Shingles, the #1 selling roofing shingles in the country. GAF is especially known for its advanced protection shingle technology, which gives their shingles the very best combination of weight and performance that modern manufacturing and testing can deliver. You won't find a better roofing shingle for toughness, wind uplift resistance, flexibility, or fire resistance. But it's not just homeowners that trust GAF. GAF shingles are the #1 choice of professional contractors. In fact, GAF shingles have been rated #1 in quality by professional home builders in the Builder Brand Use Study 9 out of the last 10 years. They're also backed by the Good Housekeeping Seal. And GAF has received the Women's Choice Award the past 5 years in a row for meeting high standards of quality and service. When it comes to your roof, don't settle for just any manufacturer. You want proven quality and performance that you can trust, and that's GAF.